I said D6 Spanky. The letter D, the number 6, Spanky.
Alright, so I just took out this wheel stud because it was stripped out. Just so you can see there on the threads about halfway up. It's in the shade, it's a little better. No good. So easy thing to do is, even though I had it jacked up on one side, I had my foot on the brake, put it in neutral, and then put the park brake on, ran over, moved this into the right position so it can go through this area here that Toyota so generously cut out for us. Thank you, Toyota, for having a brain. And so now we're going to put this back in, but to get it in the rest of the way, I got this Lisle Wheel Stud Installer. And I've been wanting one of these for a while because people do this with nuts and washers, and I just don't have those kind of things on hand. So we're going to do a quick review, show how this works, and my thoughts on it. Alright, so I stuck the wheel stud in, and obviously you have to hammer it or pull or something to get on. So what this has here is on the back. It's basically a giant bearing with a protector on the inside. So we put this on over the stud, and you want the beveled cut out end to face you, and then we put a lug nut on, and then we're going to tighten that on forward facing here. It's almost in. Check it. So, yeah. I'm making a lot of progress. Alright, so now we got the tank of air. It's just lost half of it. Alright, let's put this on here. And this is making a difference. So now, just be able to zip it off. Let's see. Nice. So it did leave a little ring here, but it's pretty minimal. Let's see how the bearings seem to have lost. Let's see if you can see this. Right here, there's a little piece of wire. It's come off from it, but does it off, but otherwise it did a good job. A little slow, but that's okay. Better than hammering on it all day and not getting it to work right for you. Awesome. So that was a live review of 22800 Lisle Wheel Stud Installer. So for that, I give a thumbs up. These run about 40 bucks. And it's handy when you don't know what you're, like if you're a mobile mechanic or whatnot, you're not going to have a whole ton of washers and lug nuts and sockets with you. Have it just get done. Alright, thanks for checking out channel D6 Spanky. Be sure to click like, subscribe, comment in the comment section below. Let me know what your favorite Lisle tool is and what you thought of this review. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/channel D6Finky and on Twitter and Instagram at D6Finky. If you would like to support me in putting out more videos, become a patron at patreon.com/D6Finky. Thanks again for watching. Let's go learn something.